Hey guys, it's Isabel Ortega and we are going to play Survive or Die with Zine. Feeling ko naman survive kasi tatakbo ako palayo. Or baka naman kamag-anak ko lang yung nasa likuran ko, no? So, feeling ko naman survive. Am I in a car? Survive. I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna die. Not because I feel like the white lady would harm me, pero feeling ko aatakihin ako sa takot. So, I hope I'm in a car when that happens. Oh my God, die. I can't. Or nakakumot ba ako? Feeling ko pag nakakumot ako, I will survive. Kasi yan ang protection natin sa lahat ng masasamang bagay sa mundo, is our kumot. I'm a kumot girly, so I think I'll survive. I think survive. Kasi iisipin ko lang siguro na naka-timer yung TV ko. Kasi I always do that. So, survive. I'm gonna survive kasi I've thought of many different ways to overcome my fear when getting a glass of water. So, actually, nagdadala na po ako ng pitchel sa kwarto ko para hindi ko na po kailangan bumaba. But in the circumstance that I have to survive because I'm going to bring my dog with me. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Die. Repeat, die, repeat. I can't. Aalis na lang talaga ako. Hindi ko kakayanin yun. Thank you, Zine, and I had so much fun playing Survive or Die with you. Thank you for bringing back all of my fears, but it was such a fun time. And sana supportahan niyo po ang Shake, Rattle, and Roll Evil Origins this December 25, showing in cinemas nationwide.